Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this tutorial today, I'm going to show you how to turn off end-to-end encryption on Messenger. So let's get into the video. So open up your Messenger. So here, what you're going to do, you're going to hit on these menu here on your top left. Click on your menu and then go to your settings option here on your top right. Click on the settings here, and then once that's done, so you're going to scroll down and you will see this option called privacy and safety. Click on it. So once you click on privacy and safety, under security you will see an option called end-to-end encrypted chats. Simply click on it, and then once you've clicked on it, and then click on these security alerts options. So click on security alerts and then go to manage security alerts. Click on it, and then what you're going to do, you go to turn these off, the contacts, devices or key change. Just turn that on. So turn that on, okay, and once you turn that on, and then all you have to do now is just get back, and then now you can delete the chat that you want it to be that you want to turn off the encryption. So just open up the chat and then hit on delete, and that's it. So that's how you can turn off your end-to-end encryption. So hope this video was helpful. I will see you in another video. Thank you.